to introduce you to our new set of graphic organizers. We have Continuum, Cycle, Venn diagrams, spider diagrams, etc. And these are not just ordinary graphic organizers, but they have something special. They are the world's first audio graphic organizers, which we are trying to patent at the moment. These are very useful tools because each graphic organizer can hold 4 titles according to the start arrows. Therefore, you can keep changing the content of the graphic organizer as you go along. Most people find it's easier to explain things orally, and the purpose of these organizers is to collect all your thoughts orally, take them back home, and when you want to write up, just as you do in an experiment, listen to what you're saying, maybe it's in your own language or translanguaging, and then put it into writing. Let's have a look at the graphics organizer over here. It's a Continuum one, we just press that.
Continuum 1, graphic organizer,
And this one is
start arrow 1.
And this one, start arrow 1 is of mice and men. Start arrow 2 may be Romeo and Juliet. Start arrow 3 may be distillation. Any subject that you like. And every time you want to, you can always rub it out. If you haven't laminated or put it on gloss paper, it's on card that is easily writable in pencil. So now you just press the mode button till it comes red and listen.
Lenny grabs onto a girl's red dress. He is accused of rape. George and Lenny arrive at the new ranch. In the bunkhouse they meet an old guy named Candy. He realizes the bad thing he did and hides in the brush. Curly suspects Lenny when he learns of his wife's death. He gets angry and sends a hunt mission to kill Lenny. Lenny hallucinates his Aunt Clara and a giant rabbit scolding him in his own voice.
Now you can do this, of course this is read out by somebody, by maybe the teacher summarizing the points. Here's an example where the same sound spot can hold mice and men. So I go to start arrow 2.
Continuum 1, graphic organizer, start arrow 2.
And go back to red. The red light mode, remember, is for my own personal recordings. And now I can hear
Romeo and Juliet, Sunday. Montagues and Capulets fight in the streets, and it's broken up by Prince Escalor.
and you can write your notes.
Romeo is pining for Rosalind, who has rejected him.
Now, if I wanted to make my own audio notes, I just go to the empty start arrow folder.
Continuum 1, graphic organizer, start arrow 4.
Press the mode button, M, light turns red, and just go over here. And now I'm recording. What I'm saying is that both stories have a similar way of starting, a very dramatic way. In Mice and Men, there's a drama. Laurie is accused of rape. In Romeo and Juliet, there's a battle between two families. There's very little space for once upon a time. So, I go and touch this, and now I'm recording. What I'm saying is that both stories have a similar way of starting, a very dramatic way. So, to summarize, this set is your own voice-recorded graphic organizer. This video demonstrates set 1, and that is why we have Continuum 1. If you like the concept, we will make set 2 and so on. We're adding this as a lesson in the new Lingua Academy online trainer, so you can share with others how audio graphic organizers can be best used in teaching EAL students.